Switch between two LEDs. Activity on page 28. You'll need your battery pack, your breadboard, your toggle switch, your resistor 150 ohm, two LEDs, I've picked red and blue, and a few jumper wires. So what we're going to do first is go over the circuit diagram. See, what we're doing is we have our 3 volts and it's going to go in through our resistor so we get the current we want, and then we're going to switch between one LED and the other. So depending on whether the switch is on this side or this side, it'll complete the circuit and make the LED light up. So let's start with the build. First, let's plug in our battery. So same thing, red to red, black to blue, there. And then we'll take our red wire. Oh, actually, let's first plug in our resistor. So we're going to plug in our resistor. So we're completing this part of the circuit. So we can plug in our red. And then now we'll plug in our toggle switch. So we're just making our way up through this circuit and building it out. So here's our toggle switch, and we want the middle prong to connect to the resistor. So here we go. Just like that. So the middle prong is connected to the resistor. And then we're going to have one plug into our LED. So we can plug in our LED anywhere we want. Remember, we want our positive, so our longer LED wire, to be closer to our resistor so it's easier for us to remember. And then we can plug in our blue LED here on the other side, so it's a little bit easier for us to see everything. And then we're going to plug in our top wire here into the blue here. And our second toggle line into our LED here. And then we plug both of them back into ground. So let's test this out. So now it's lighting up the blue. You switch it down, it's lighting up the red. So let's take a moment and look at exactly what's happening. Power is coming in through our red wire here from our battery, going into this red wire here, going through my resistor, producing the current I need to light up my LED, going through the middle prong of my toggle switch, and then coming out of the top prong into this blue wire, in through my LED, completing the circuit, allowing it to light up. Or if my toggle switch is down, it then goes through the resistor, in through the middle prong, out through the bottom prong, into this orange wire, through my LED, and then back through ground, lighting it up. As you can see, there you go. Remember, you need to plug in your switch all the way. If it's a poor connection, it won't light up all the way. So make sure you've plugged it all the way in. It should be snug.